Hi everyone, welcome back to Robinson's World. Today we are tackling a classic topic in finance and mathematics, calculating simple interest and compound interest. We will implement both formulas in Python in an easy to follow way. By the end of this video, you will have a mini finance calculator ready. Let's get started. First, let's understand the difference. Simple interest or SI is calculated using a basic formula that doesn't consider interest on previously accumulated interest. Compound interest or CI takes a more dynamic approach. It considers interest on both the initial amount and the accumulated interest over time. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 1000. Compound interest formula is principal into 1 plus rate divided by 100 to the power of n minus principal. In these formulas, the principal is the initial amount, rate is the annual interest rate, time is the duration in years, and for CI, n is the number of compounding periods per year. Let's start with simple interest. It's straightforward. Just plug the values into the formula. Here is how it works. We define a function, calculate simple interest, that applies the formula. Then we take user inputs for principal, amount, rate and time, and calculate the interest and display it in display it with the two decimal places. Now let's add compound interest. We will modify the formula slightly to account for the number of times interest compounds per year. Here the calculate compound interest function uses the formula taking an additional input compounds per year. For example, if interest compounds quarterly, you would enter 4. The result is displayed just like before. Let's run the full program and test both interest calculations. I will input a principal amount of 10,000 and interest rate of 5% and a time of 2 years. The program calculates both simple interest and compound interest accurately. With annual compounding, the compound interest is slightly higher, which reflects in its nature. In simple interest, it is 1000 here in this case, and in compound interest, it is 1044.86. To make this program even better, here are some enhancements you can try. Add error handling for invalid input. Include unit options for time like months or days and convert them to years. Display the total amount, that is principal plus interest, for both calculations. Create a menu for users to choose between simple and compound interest. Allow the program to run multiple calculations in one section. For example, you can enhance the program to display total amount like this. The total amount for compound interest is here 11,044. And there you have it, a Python program that calculates both simple interest and compound interest. Whether you are studying finance or just want to sharpen your coding skills, this is a great exercise. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to Robinson's World for more beginner-friendly Python projects. Got feedback or ideas for future videos? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.